What does AI actually cost? Here's the honest breakdown. ChatGPT, free. Genuinely useful for most everyday tasks. Zero cost. ChatGPT Plus, around £20 a month. Gives you faster responses, better reasoning, and newer features. Worth it if you use it heavily every day. Gemini by Google, free with a Google account. Good alternative to ChatGPT and already built into many Google tools you probably use. Microsoft Copilot, free, built into Windows and Edge. For most people starting out, start free, stay free until you actually hit limits. Paying before you need to is just paying early. Follow for honest AI guidance.